In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable scrolling in Adobe Acrobat by default. Adobe missing scroll bar. If you've opened a PDF and noticed here is no scroll bar, or you have to click from page to page instead of smoothly scrolling. This quick setup will fix that by making continuous scrolling the default for every document you open. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat. With the application open, head to Preferences. You can get there by opening the menu in the top left and choosing Preferences. Going through Edit and then Preferences, or simply pressing Ctrl+K on your keyboard. Using the shortcut is the fastest route and takes you straight to the Settings window. In the Preferences window, look to the left side for the list of categories and choose Accessibility. Even though this section is often thought of as assistive options, it also includes powerful display controls that affect how pages are laid out and how you move through them. Now, find the option labeled Always Use Page Layout Style and make sure it's checked. Turning this on tells Acrobat to apply your chosen page layout to every PDF you open, rather than relying on whatever layout the document suggests. Once that box is checked, look for the drop-down menu right below it and select Single Page Continuous. This is the key setting. Single Page Continuous stacks your pages in one long vertical column, giving you a traditional scroll experience with a scroll bar. Instead of clicking to move from one page to the next, you'll be able to glide smoothly through the entire document using your mouse wheel, trackpad, or keyboard. After selecting Single Page Continuous, for the new default to take effect across the app, close Adobe Acrobat completely and restart it. Make sure the program actually shuts down before reopening it. A full restart ensures the new layout preference is applied consistently. When Acrobat opens again, load any PDF and you should immediately see a vertical scroll bar on the right and continuous scrolling behavior throughout the document. If the file is long, you'll notice how much faster it is to skim, search, and navigate. And remember, this is a default setting, so every PDF you open from now on will use this layout unless you go back into Preferences and choose something else. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.